Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video I will cover class-based list view and class-based detail view. I will cover everything about class-based list and detail view. So you can create any blog website with help of class-based view. So this is easy and very simple. So if you click on mathematics, this is the detail page of mathematics. If you click history, this is the detail page of history, and the rest of things of class-based view I will cover in the next video. So let's start. So at first open CMD and create a Django project and the Django application. So Django project name is project and the Django application name is book. Now open it with any code editor. So now go to settings.py. At first you have to install the app. So what is our app name? Book. So just install the app book. And now go to the model, and here just create a model for book. So just create a model class book, sorry, CLA class in lowercase obviously, class book, and inherit from models dot model. So at first name of the book and then description. So DES is referred to description. Now what is the name field? This is models dot character field, and here you have to give the max length. So max length I just give it 100, and here is the description. Description obviously text field, models dot text field. So here I don't use flag field, just here. Now define str function, str, and just remove it. Just define the str function and pass the self argument and return self dot name. And now go to admin.py. Here you have to import the model at first. So just type from .models import. What is the model name? Model name is book, and now after that just register it. So just type admin.shite.register, and now register your model book. And now go to views.py. Here you have to create a list view and a detail view. So here I use class-based views, and for this you have to import list view and detail view from django.views.generic. So just type from Django, sorry, so just here type from Django dot views dot generic and import now list view and also the detail view. Not delete view. Delete view I will cover in the next video. I just cover detail view and list view in this video. And now here just import the model also from dot models and import your model. So here model name is book, and now here just define the class for list view. So class book list. So just create a class book list and inherit from list view, and now here again define another class, and this class for detail view. So here just type book detail and inherit from detail view. So at first I just comment out this, and now here inside the book list, here just type context object name, context object name, and this is actually the Django variable. So here I type obj object. This obj I will use in list.html to grab the all objects from book model. So after that just type your template name. What is the template name? So just type the path of the template name. So for list view I just type list.html, And now here just define your model. So model is what? Model is book, BOOK. Okay, so this is not models, this is model. Okay, now inside the book detail view you have to do same. So at first you have to type context object name, then template name, and then the model book. So I just skip it for now, and now go to the book application, and here just create a folder named templates, 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 and inside the templates just create a file name list.html. So now go to the bootstrap and copy the starter template. So just copy it and paste here. You can use your own design also. So now here I just change it to book list. So now here you have to grab the all object from book model. So what is your Django variable for grabbing all objects? So Django variable name is obj. So here just create a container class first, not container, and inside the container create a for loop. So for x in obj, because obj is the Django variable, and at first you have to end the for loop also. So just end for. So just type end for, and inside for loop you have to grab the object. So here I just want to grab the name of the book. So here just give a h3 tag, and inside h3 tag here just type x dot name. So name is the field inside the model, you can see here, and here you can also grab the description of 3 lines or 4 lines. So it's up to you, but for now I just skip it. And now save it, and now go to views, everything is okay, and now go to urls.py inside the project. So here I just include a URL for our blog app, book app, sorry, no, this is not a blog app, this is book app. So here just add a path for book application. So I just use it as a landing page and include book, book.urls, and here you have to import the include also, and path, okay, you have to add a comma here. And now just go to book application, and inside book application you have to create urls.py. So just type urls.py. So here just remove these and remove these, import the path from django.urls, and now create a path for list view. So just go to urls, and here I just use it as a landing page, and here you have to import the list view. So what is the name of the list view? Is book list. So just here type from dot views import list view, not list view, book list. Okay, so here just type book list, and just here type book list dot as view, and you can give a name of the URL, name equal list. Okay, so everything is fine. Now migrate your model. Now create a super user. So here I use admin name, email address is admin@gmail.com and password is admin. Yeah, and now run the server, and now go to the admin at first, and now here just give username and the password and just log in and go to books and create some models. So just save and add another, and now save and now create another, and now save it and save, and now run the localhost so you can see the list view of the book, that means the list of book name. So now I just create a detail view for this. So just go to views.py, here just define the class book detail and inherit from detail view. So do the same. So I just copy it and paste here and just give a right indentation, and context object name is obj, template name is detail.html, detail.html, and model is book. So now save it and go to templates, here just create detail.html, and now I just copy it all and paste inside the detail and just remove this for loop. So here I just grab the book name at first, so just type obj.name. obj is a Django variable, so you can see it here, obj, and just grab the name of the book, so just give a h3 tag here, and now just grab the description of the book. So what is the description field? DES, so just type obj.des. So DES is the description field, you can see here. So now save it and now go to urls.py, here just add a path for detail view. So you have to import the detail view at first, book detail, and now here you can use it, book detail, and here I just pass ID of the book, and now go to list.html, here just add a anchor tag and just put the name of the book inside the anchor tag, and here just type hyperreference and hyperreference to x.id. Okay, so as same as function based view. So now save it. So everything is fine, just save it and now run the server again and now run it. Okay, so now go to mathematics. So here is an error, so attribute error, generic view book detail must be called either an object or pk url conf. So here just change it to pk, means primary key. So if you using function based view, then you can pass the id of the url, then you can use the id inside the path. For the class based view, you have to write here pk, means primary key. Now just run this again, python manage.py, run server, and now run it and go to mathematics. Okay, so you can see this is the name and this is the detail of mathematics. And now go to history, so this is the name and this is the detail. And now go to geography, this is the name and this is the detail. Okay, so here is one more thing you must know. If you remove this context object name, then what is your model? Model is book. So just go to list view. I just here save it and now run the server. So you can see nothing, but if you change it. Here now obj means nothing, so you have to write model's name underscore list instead of obj. What is your model's name? So model's name is book, so just go to list.html. Here just type book, so just write book in lowercase and then type underscore and then type list for list view, and now save it and now run the server. So you can see here. Okay, so this is one more important thing for class based view. Okay, so rest of thing I will cover in the next video. So that's it for this video. Thank you friends for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.